Want to save more with GoHenry? Try these simple hacks that actually work. Turn on auto save to stash cash without thinking. Set an amount. Enable roundups to save spare change from every purchase automatically into your goal. Make clear goals for shoes, trips, or new gadgets and watch your progress grow. Schedule weekly allowance deposits so money moves into savings and builds up. Use tip cards inside the app to track tips, streaks, progress, and reminders. Add chores with rewards to earn while building real saving habits and responsibility. Set spending limits and merchant blocks to protect your wallet from impulse buys. Ask your parents to match savings for a fast boost and extra motivation. Turn on notifications for goal milestones, deposit alerts, and progress check-ins. Combine roundups and autosave for a simple double save strategy that adds up. Pick one hack, try it, and watch your savings grow faster.